ever felt that restless feeling? That yearning for something bigger than your four walls and daily routine? The open road beckons, whispering promises of adventure, freedom, and memories under endless skies. Maybe you've seen those envy-inducing van life posts on social media, or perhaps the idea of escaping the daily grind and exploring hidden corners of the country has simply captured your imagination. Whatever the spark, if the thought of RV life has ignited a flame in your soul, then welcome to Compare the Carries channel. Fellow adventurer, this video is your roadmap to getting started on this incredible journey. Before you toss everything into storage and hit the gas like Thelma and Louise, minus the cliffhanger, of course, let's equip you with the knowledge and tools to make your RV adventure smooth, safe, and unforgettable. We'll guide you through essential preparation steps, from downsizing your belongings to researching campgrounds and mastering basic RV maintenance. Knowledge is power, and in the world of RV life, it translates to fewer headaches and more open road bliss. So grab your travel mug, settle in, and let's dive into the exciting world of RVing. We'll unveil the top 5 RVs Americans are loving in 2024, catering every budget, lifestyle, and adventure dream. Whether you're a solo explorer, a family seeking quality time, or a group of friends ready to conquer new terrains, we've got the perfect rolling home waiting for you. So buckle up, get ready to explore, and remember, the adventure begins now. All right, dreamers and soon-to-be rolling adventurers, before we hit the gas and chase those sunset horizons, let's talk about some essential prep work. Think of it as building a solid foundation for your home on wheels, a foundation paved with organization, knowledge, and a healthy dose of planning. First up, let's talk about space. Unlike your spacious house, your RV won't have room for everything you own, so embrace the spirit of minimalism. Time to channel your inner Marie Kondo and ask yourself, does this spark joy on the road? Ruthlessly declutter, donate, or sell. Remember, every possession you choose brings adds weight, literally and figuratively, to your journey. Maximize storage solutions within your RV. Invest in clever organizers, under bed drawers, and multifunctional furniture. Remember, even a small space can feel spacious with smart organization. Now let's get nerdy for a sec. Knowledge is your best friend in the world of RVing. Before hitting the road, do your research on your chosen RV model. Learn about its systems, maintenance needs, and potential challenges. Imagine changing a flat tire at midnight in the desert. Knowledge becomes your superpower then. Don't underestimate the power of online communities and forums. Connect with other RV enthusiasts, ask questions, and learn from their experiences. Remember, the RV community is like a giant family on wheels, always ready to lend a helping hand or spare wrench. Let's face it, even adventure comes with a price tag. Fuel costs, campsite fees, insurance, and unexpected repairs. It all adds up. Create a realistic budget that factors in everything, not just the initial RV purchase. Think of it as planning your monthly bills with the added perk of waking up to stunning new views every day. Remember, there are ways to be budget savvy on the road. Consider free camping options, cook more meals yourself, and utilize loyalty programs for fuel and camping sites. Every penny saved means more miles you can explore. Finally, let's talk about the fun stuff. Packing. Prepare a comprehensive RV toolkit for minor repairs, an emergency kit for unforeseen situations, and don't forget the creature comforts. Think cozy blankets, camp chairs, and maybe even a portable coffee maker, because nobody wants a grumpy RV traveler on their hands. Remember, your RV is your home away from home, so personalize it with things that bring you joy and make you feel comfortable. After all, the best adventures are made with a blend of preparation and a sprinkle of spontaneity. So there you have it, folks. With a little planning, research, and a dash of minimalism, you'll be ready to hit the road in your rolling dream machine. All right, Wanderlust Warriors, let's delve into the exciting world of 2024 RVs. Whether you're a solo road warrior, a family seeking quality time, or a group of friends with wanderlust in your hearts, there's an RV out there with your name on it. So buckle up and get ready to explore your top 5 options. Kicking things off with the ever-popular travel trailer. Think of them as the starter apartments of the RV world, versatile, affordable, and perfect for first-timers or weekend warriors. Forest River Cherokee, a top-selling 2024 model offering multiple floor plans to sleep up to 8 comfortably. Features queen beds, slide-outs for extra space, and outdoor storage to bring all your gear. Starting price, $24,599. Benefits, it's like easy towing with most vehicles, diverse size options, budget friendly compared to larger RVs. Considerations: storage space can be limited, may not be ideal for full-time living. Craving luxury and ample living space? Look no further than the fifth wheel, your chariot to comfort. Think spacious living areas, multiple bedrooms, and even fireplaces for cozy nights under the stars. Grand design, imagine. 2024 favorite, offering multiple layouts with features like king beds, theater seating, and large slide outs for ultimate comfort. Towing requires a powerful truck. Starting price, $42,995. Benefits: spacious living quarters, perfect for families or extended trips. Luxurious amenities feel like home. Considerations: requires a powerful truck for towing, higher initial cost, and potentially higher fuel consumption. Feeling spontaneous and budget conscious? Then pop-up campers are your adventure companions. Lightweight and easy to set up, they're perfect for quick getaways and impromptu detours. Jayco Bajatens, a top choice in 2024, sleeps up to 5 comfortably and sets up in minutes. Features a queen bed, dinette seating, and even an optional awning. Starting price $12,995. Benefits: compact size and lightweight for easy towing, affordable price point, quick setup for spontaneous adventures. Considerations: limited living space. Amenities are basic and not ideal for full-time living. Calling all adrenaline junkies and gearheads. Toy haulers are your ultimate adventure mobiles, featuring built-in garages to transport your dirt bikes, ATVs, or whatever your outdoor passion demands. Forest River RV XLR Nitro, a 2024 powerhouse boasting a spacious garage with secure tie-downs and ample sleeping arrangements. Perfect for groups of adventurous friends. Starting price $54,995. Benefits: dedicated space for your toys, perfect for exploring national parks and off-road adventures. Accommodates multiple people comfortably. Considerations: larger size requires careful planning and maneuvering, higher fuel costs, and limited storage outside the garage area. Solo travelers or couples seeking simplicity rejoice. Truck campers offer a cozy and maneuverable home on the road experience. Think tiny houses on wheels, ready to explore hidden gems and scenic byways. Lance 855s, a popular 2024 choice, offering comfortable sleeping for 2 with a queen bed and dinette seating. Fits snugly onto most pickup trucks, making it easy to navigate narrow roads. Starting price $29,995. Benefits: compared to larger RVs, truck campers require less maintenance and have fewer systems to manage. Perfect for those who crave a minimalist and low maintenance lifestyle. Considerations: truck campers are perfect for solo travelers or couples, but may feel cramped for larger families or groups. With less overall space, smart packing and organization are crucial. So there you have it, folks. Our top 5 RVs for 2024, catering to diverse budgets, lifestyles, and adventure dreams. Remember, the perfect RV is the one that resonates with your unique needs and desires. Do your research, explore different options, and most importantly, let your wanderlust guide you. Our journey through the top 5 RVs in 2024 has come to an end, but the adventure is just beginning. Remember, the perfect RV is the one that sparks your wanderlust and fuels your dreams. The open road awaits, beckoning with endless possibilities and unforgettable experiences. Embrace the freedom, soak in the beauty, and create memories that will last a lifetime. And before you hit the gas, remember, smooth journey starts with smooth vehicle transport. Whether you're shipping your brand new RV across the country or bringing your trusty motorcycle along for the ride, Compare the Carrier gets you covered. We connect you with a network of reputable transporters who specialize in shipping RVs, vehicles of all sizes, and even freight across the country. Get free quotes, compare options, and choose the service that best suits your needs and budget. And to ensure a smooth and stress-free journey, don't forget to download our free document checklist for smooth vehicle transport from our blog. It's packed with helpful tips and resources to make shipping your RV or any vehicle across the country a breeze. Find the link in the description below. If you enjoyed this video and are dreaming of your own RV adventure, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss a future video. We'll be sharing more tips, tricks, and inspiration to help you make the most of your RV life. And let us know in the comments below what type of RV you're considering or what questions you have about RVing. We love hearing from you and building a community of adventure seekers. Thanks for joining us on this journey. We hope you're feeling inspired to hit the road and explore. Until next time, happy RVing. compare the carrier, compare to save.